It's the third week of summer and all you want to do is buy a couple of chickens for your coop. Well, good luck. If you haven't figured it out by now, Marnie doesn't like to work. Yep, that checks out. For this exact reason, try to purchase the animal catalog as soon as you can afford it. This will allow you to buy anything while she isn't behind her desk, which is all the time. You probably have the ability to make tappers by now, which will help get oak resin for kegs. You can also get maple syrup and pine tar for other crafting items. The second most important community center bundle to me is the greenhouse. I always try to get it opened before winter, which is much easier said than done. Purchase wheat seeds from Pierre's so you can make flour later. When you reach farming level 6, you will be able to craft the quality sprinklers. You can replace the old ones with these without having to till up any crops if you place them in the formation that I showed you. If you are running low on iron and coal, you can go into level 40 on a good luck day. If you aren't playing in multiplayer, you can keep leaving the mines from the ladder and going back through levels 40 to 49 as many times as you want to stack up on iron. This trick works great on the gold levels also. Once you reach level 120 in the mines, you will get the skull key. This can be used once you get the bus up and running again. If you have gotten your fishing level up, you will have a chance to try and catch one of the legend fish. Be sure you're on the east side of the bridge during the summer. These are crazy hard to catch without an upgraded pole. The Trout Derby will be held in Cindersap Forest the 20th through the 21st. Do not leave any items like chests or machines in the area during this day because they will disappear overnight. If this happens, you will be able to find your lost items in the Lost and Found in Mayor Lewis's house. To prep for the derby, we want to try to catch 1 or 2 rainbow trout. Then you will want to try to gather the items to craft a targeted bait maker. I, unfortunately, did not have an urchin to do this time. You can make rainbow trout bait that can be used during the derby. At the derby, you'll be able to talk with the Grady sisters and a couple of guys that have a great taste in fashion. While fishing, there will be the main river fish that will also bite, not just the rainbow trout. Not every rainbow trout will give you a golden tag. I had to catch 9 rainbow trout before I got my first one. These golden tags can be kept for the following year as well and will not disappear. I kept mine in a chest for next year. These tags can be used to get items like diamonds, triple shot espressos, and a mounted trout from the Trout Derby tent. If you enjoyed this Stardew Valley tips and tricks video, be sure to like and subscribe.